Let go. See, it says record.
Hello, there's my mama. Right there, big alley cat. Big. Ooh, watch the belly move, alley cat. I think we have one baby on one side, one baby on the other side. Alley cat's not normally bashful, but Princess is not ever bashful. And there's the hair over the goatee. Uh-oh, there's Peaches. Here comes Paula. Tara, beautiful Tara. Wow, it's food time. Everybody's running for food. Look at them run. Run. All right. Look at Shaggy Leg Peaches. Shagster's going to get a shave someday soon. There's Puppy Dog, who remains nameless. He doesn't like to be called. Hey, girls. What you got down there to eat? Oh, let's look at that big alley cat again. Oh, my goodness. Wow, I felt my toe. Okay, bye, y'all. Never wear. Features in the pier. It's very dangerous. Better than flip-flops, but not by much. Okay, the evening fun has begun. It's called Circle Around, see who has any food left. Here comes Peaches. Well, they're not feeling very stingy, but they are feeling like a pretty girl. Okay, I'm getting out of here.